Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add text over the images in your WordPress website. Even you don't need to use Photoshop, Illustrator or any kind of tools. So right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to my all post section. After that I am going to open this post. So after this headline I want to add a image. So add blog, image, media library, and I want to select an exist image. So this is existing image. I am selecting it and it's displaying here. Now I want to add a text over the image. So how I can do it? For this I have to click here. You see there has a icon. So you have to click here. After clicking, your image caption will automatically display over the image. So if you wish, you can change this text by clicking, double click, just you can write orange leaf. Even if I wish, I can add a headline over the image. How I can do it? Just I'm giving enter. After that, I have to click on this plus add block icon. I can add headings. This is headlines and I can make it align center, and right now it's different color. I want to make it white color, so just click on this arrow icon. After that click on highlight. After that select white color or any other color as you wish. So I am selecting the white color, so headline is white. Even if you wish, you can create a list here by following the same method. Just click on add block. After that search here with list and select this list, and you can add list 1, list 2. So by this way you can add text over the image. You can change the color of text. You can add headlines. You can add list, anything over the image. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.